Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where, as you can see, I am back from my vacation. I took a little trip to Guatemala with my mom to go see her family, and honestly, it was so much fun. I loved it, but as you can see, I did have some packages waiting for me, so I do have a bunch of Lululemon stuff to show you, which I'm so excited for. One of the items is actually something you guys told me to get, so if you saw my last Lululemon video, you should know one of the items that is in here. And then Rose Forever did send me a cute little flower box, which I'm also so excited to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Valentine's Day is quickly approaching, and I'm sorry I didn't post this video earlier for you guys, but it's been a crazy week getting back into everything. But I'm so excited. This box did not make it in time before I left, but honestly, like, I couldn't wait to get back home to it. Rose Forever New York was created in 2019. They design luxurious rose boxes with real roses that last at least a year, which is amazing. I have a couple of them around my house and truly love them. But Valentine's Day is coming up, so that was kind of the theme of the box that I wanted. They have different color roses you can choose from, all natural, which are beautiful, and then you can also customize it for the box so it can match your aesthetic or the person that you are gifting it to's aesthetic. I chose this one honestly is because my mom really liked this one as well. We both have the same kind of aesthetic, so to put this in the living room, it's gonna look so pretty. I also do have a promo code that gets you $30 off with the code Alvarez30. I will have it linked in the description, and then they also do have a free shipping code with the code influencer, so I'll also have that linked in the description, and a few other details about the brand. But this is the box that I chose, and yes, you are seeing that correctly, it is in the heart shape. This is their black suede box. They have 10 different box shapes and then 12 different colors for roses. Can you guess which ones I chose? It's Valentine's Day, so your girl had to go with a classic red. Oh my gosh, the way that these smell and look, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, look at how vibrant and beautiful these are. And again, they last over a year. Can confirm that I've had some boxes that are over a year old and still look amazing, and these ones are just beautiful. Like, look at that. Again, they are real natural roses as well, so they are not fake roses. Then the Rose Forever logo is just right here in gold. I like the black and gold contrast, and then with the beautiful red. Honestly, I love roses, but I don't like the fact that they die so quickly, so these ones I can have for at least a year. So nice just to have this as a centerpiece on your table in your room, to gift it to anybody. Like, I know whoever receives this will be obsessed with it, so there's still time to purchase it. And even after Valentine's Day, it makes a good Mother's Day gift, birthdays, holidays, anything like that. Again, they do have different box options as well as shapes, and then rose colors as well, so you can customize it completely. Like, the options are endless on how you want to customize it. I've gotten different options in the past, but this one, honestly, like, I just can't stop showing and looking at it. It's perfect. Moving on to Lululemon, I will show you the item that we all collectively agreed that I needed, which is the Lunar New Year Scuba half zip, oversized with the gold detailing. I absolutely purchased it the second at least one person commented that I needed it. I absolutely went and purchased it. Look how pretty. I love red. Red is my favorite color, which is also why red roses are my favorite. Like, how Valentine's Day is this? It's so cute. I love Valentine's Day. This sweater with the gold detailing was honestly so pretty. I love how it's like a vibrant red. It's not a dull color. Again, this is limited edition for the Lunar New Year, so it did come with a special little tag attached to it, but the price was the same as all the other Scubas, retailing at I think around $118 or $128. Got it in my typical extra small to small size, and I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I think I'm actually gonna wear this for Valentine's Day. Snatched something from We Made It Too Much that is actually going to match something that I got during the end of year sale. This is the Wunder Puff mittens in extra small, and I did get the scarf in white, so wanted to pick up the matching mittens. This is what it looks like. I will say, however, there is no like fleece, like super thick fleece on the inside. It has a very thin layer of this fabric. Not too sure what it is, but it's not like super thick fleece, so they're not too warm. I was expecting them to be a little bit warmer, but it does also have this little hole where when you want to use your fingers, you can just peek it through. It also has this for touch screen sensitivity on earphones. But I had to pick this up to match. I also do have a white hat that I wear all the time, so I just wanted a white pair of mittens since I don't have any. I honestly don't even remember what is in some of these bags. Okay, the first time I ordered these, I don't know why it canceled and I was so devastated. So I waited and waited and waited. The moment I saw that these were back in restock, you best believe I purchased the leggings. These are the Align 25-inch high-rise leggings. These are my favorite in the color iron blue, which I don't have anything iron blue, but I absolutely loved it. Got it in a size 2. Something that I want to mention is these lines. I have seen some people give reviews and wondered what this line is. It was just the way that the pants are folded, so if you receive this, it's not defected. Don't worry, just wear it a couple times and it'll go away. I have noticed that this has happened on other pairs of Aligns that I get. Depending on the color, the lines will fade. It's just little lines from how it was folded. Then the logo on the back, just plain Aligns. If you know me, Aligns are my absolute favorite and honestly probably will always be my favorite leggings that Lululemon made. So I got the leggings, and then I also saw the shorts were in stock. They have them in a 4-inch and 6-inch. Usually I get 6-inch, but I don't know, something was calling me for 4-inch this year, so got the 4-inch ones as well. Iron blue, same size, a 2, and I believe these were $64 to $68. Can't really remember. Again, they are the 4-inch ones. I usually get 6-inch. Also don't know why Lululemon stopped putting the price on their tags. It's really hard for me to remember the prices since your girl buys a lot, and I honestly sometimes forget what I even purchased. Like this next bag, I have no idea what's inside of it, but we're gonna see. So I will also have everything linked in the description. I'm sorry if I forget prices, but I will have it in the description. Oh, another markdown item was the All Aligned mock neck long sleeve t-shirt. I believe in the color espresso. Yes, color espresso, size 4. It was originally $78, but I did catch it on markdown, so I did not pay the full price for that. But this is so soft. I have this in black and really liked it, so wanted to pick up the espresso color. It's your typical Align material, but just a little less thick. Like the shorts and the bottoms feel thicker than this material, but it's still so soft, so comfy. Love it. And I love the mock neck. I'm not a huge turtleneck girl. Mock neck is really pretty to accessorize with jewelry and have all of that on top. You can wear it to the gym, but honestly I like to wear it to like run errands or just lounge around. It is so comfy. It's also cropped. I picked it up in a size 4. I couldn't remember if it was a 2 or a 4, the black one that I have, so hopefully I chose correctly. I can go either or with them, so we'll have to see on the try on, but I was nervous that it was gonna sell out, so I did just like check out really quickly, and I was like, you know what, it's better to have it a little bit looser than a little bit smaller, especially because your girl had a lot to eat on vacation. Not gonna lie, if you watch my Instagram story, you would have seen all the chips I brought home, everything that I was eating there. Like your girl put on a couple pounds, so I was like, let's go with the bigger option just to be safe. So I did pick the size 4, but that is everything that I've purchased so far. I do have to take a peek at the website. I honestly haven't been purchasing much since I got back, but I will have a peek on the website to see what else is there that I want to pick up. But so far, so happy with everything from Lululemon. And then again, I just have to show you the beautiful bouquet of roses. Like I just can't. This is definitely, I think, my favorite ones that I've received from Rose Forever, although they do have a bunch of beautiful options that you can choose from. But honestly, like, I'm just obsessed with it. I am so obsessed with it. Highly recommend. Good quality, look luxurious overall, feel luxurious. Nothing bad to say about them, so shout out again to them. That is everything for today's video. If you are not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!